Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter safe mode on VIVO iQOO Z10. So you have to start by opening your power menu and then long press on power off button and click OK. And as you can see by this watermark in the corner, my device is now in safe mode. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.